Welcome to the Luna UI demo showcase. I'll walk you through the setup and key features. Let's start by installing the package. After the package is installed, go to In Project tab to import the samples. Start with the library sample. This sample includes essential dependencies for other samples. Use the Luna UI panel to set up all the samples with ease. Game sample requires adding scenes to the scene list. You can add and remove scenes with one click. Let's begin with the main menu. Luna UI applies hover and click sounds automatically to all focusable UI components. Next, we'll explore the settings menu. Here, a tab view shows prompts to switch between tabs. Notice how these prompts hide automatically for keyboard and mouse users. Integrate the settings UI with your system, or use the fully functional settings system provided. Changes are automatically saved to player prefs and applied when the game starts. We also provide an input rebinding example with options to revert individual inputs to default or reset all of them to default at once. Input prompts can also display radial progress bars for all the interactions. And of course, you can return to the previous screen using the escape input. Luna UI features an easy to set up pagination system. Just like the settings UI, you can integrate the save load UI with your own save system. Note that there is a mockup as we don't provide a save system. Add game tips to your loading screens to keep players engaged. Optionally, you can wait for user input before continuing. Display notifications with smooth transitions powered entirely by USS classes. No scripting is used for the transitions. Show an Autosave notification that use a radial loading component. The pause menu can be opened and closed using the escape input. When you open the pause menu, all interactable elements behind the menu are automatically disabled, preventing Unity's auto-navigation from targeting them. This ensures navigation with keys to work correctly without manual adjustments. Bring your stories to life with the dialogue player. We provide 3 example UIs: Visual Novel, Speech Bubble, and Tutorial Model. You can integrate these UIs with your own dialogue system using an easy-to-use API. Luna UI offers a robust inventory system. Equip items with a click or drag and drop, and view item comparisons directly in tooltips.